Tonight we're going to do some upgrades to the Taurus GX4, and the firearm is clear. I like the 13 round magazine so much that I went on Taurus's website and I ordered a set of these. Got me 2 more of them, and it's the Taurus GX4 magazine base plate. It comes with your spring and it comes with new base plate and this little piece here that locks it in place. So let's take a look at putting those on. So we've got our hole in the bottom here. We are just going to, we're going to press down. Let's see. We're going to push it. We'll push it this way. The curved end goes that direction. So we'll take something pressed down. We're going to keep our finger in here. This is spring loaded. Hold it down. Now we're going to let this thing come out. Okay. We're going to take our spring out. As we pull this spring out, look how the follower's positioned. We just want to rotate it. Let's go back the other way. And it pops right out. So this is how it goes in. It angles upward towards the front of the follower. This is where the round comes out and goes into the chamber of the firearm. So let's put that spring out of the way, get our new spring. Our angle is going to go up, and we'll put it right back in. There we go. That was pretty easy. Snap right back into position. Let's slide it right back into our magazine. Make sure the follower is in the proper direction when you put it in. Get your magazine oriented to your base plate. So there is, when you hold it up, there's a curved portion here, and there is a curved portion on your base plate. So I'm just going to use this base plate and come right up here onto the top, and I'm just going to push down with it. Let me do this where you can see. So I'm just going to press down here, keep my finger in position so the spring doesn't come out. We're going to come around here, drop this on. Come on, get up in there. There we go. Drop it right up in there. So we've got our spring in position. We've got our base plate on. See how that fits? Now we're going to snap this piece on. So it has got to come up from the bottom here. Which direction does it go? So just like this. Let you guys get a good look at the orientation of it real quick. Slips right in. See how it's going in there? Look at the orientation of it. We're just going to slide it up till it snaps into position. Once you slide this locking piece in place, see this gap right here? This is what we're going to close. We're going to push this shut right here to lock it in position. So I'm just going to take this screwdriver and push down on it. A little tougher than I thought to push that in. See, it's not locking in right here. I'll take my nylon mallet and I'm going to give it a tap. There we go. So light tap with it at an angle there, and see how this is now snapped shut. See how this is closed? That is going to keep it from pushing off and coming loose on the bottom. Our 13 round magazine, the GX4. I ordered a third magazine and we're going to do the exact same process. We're going to push in here, slide this out, pop it off, pull our spring out. Look at how our follower's in there. Set the spring to the side, the new spring comes in, angle to the top, snap it right back into position, slide it right back in. Now, let's push down with it. Well, let's use this piece to push down. So our curve goes here. Want to snap it right on. Keep our finger in position so it don't jump out. Come around here. Come on, jump in there. There we go. Right into position here. Take our little locking lug. Take our locking lug here. Slide it on this way. Snap it into position there. This piece has got to go down. We're just going to tap it at an angle right here. One little tap. Snapped it in place. See how tight it is? Now it won't come back out. And here we go. We now have 3 13-round magazines for our GX4. Each one of them works really well with it. That's how you upgrade your magazines from the 11-round to the 13-round magazines in your Taurus GX4. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.